So here I am in Brittany, at a town called Pont-Aven, which is on the south coast of Brittany, and it was really made famous, I guess, by the painter Paul Gauguin, who spent many summers and autumns here between the years of 1886 and 1894. It's a rather important place, I think, because it seems to me that this is where the whole concept of abstraction in painting, the idea that meaning could be conveyed through colour, form, the relationships of shapes to one another, this is where it was all born, in Pont-Aven. Gauguin came up with a style called synthetism or synthétisme in French, which basically strips away extraneous detail to try and get to the sort of very basic forms, almost like the platonic forms of nature. Reality is suppressed. There's no need to paint something as it looks like in nature. That's what synthetism or synthetisme is. You could also call this style cloisonnisme. That word cloisonnisme comes from the cloisonné enamel, where you would get molten glass, you'd heat glass up, and you'd have to pour it into these little areas which were supported by raised metal, which gave a kind of outline to every subsection of glass. And in cloisonnisme you get an outline around every form, and Gauguin was very much exploring that. He was also very much interested in Japanese art. Japanese art took sort of unorthodox viewpoints, shifted perspectives, shifted scale. So we're starting to depart from reality. So this place that you can see behind me, this village, Pont-Aven, seems to me a rather important place in the birthplace of 20th century abstraction, a whole tradition which goes on through to the abstract expressionism in New York in the 1950s.